আকাশ ভরা সূর্য তারা।
The open grasslands and construction of a dam on Bhima River has developed a remarkable and unique ecosystem around Bhigwan, home to some spectacular species. We are really interested to explore the coexistence of villagers nurturing their farmlands and distinctive grassland birds and animals like quails, larks, wolves, and many more. This is not a national park, so how can people benefit and make a living while wildlife thrives? We will search for the answers through this short film.